Hello, kindred spirit. Welcome to my little corner of the internet. I am Mabel Asante, and I am here to tell you 7 ways I stay productive. Or that's the purpose of this video, as you watch me be productive. Or at least I like to think I was. Alright, number 1. Yes, we're jumping straight into it because just like you, if I click in a video, I like to go straight to the point, and I am blabbering on, so we're bringing back in Mabel. The first thing I like to do when I feel as though I'm like way off track, honestly, is to define my goal or my next purpose or my next, the next goal I would like to obtain. That's the first thing I like to do. Like, I have to sit down with myself. What do you want to do? What do you want to accomplish literally this week, Mabel? And that's how I start off with gaining my productivityness, if that's a word. I know it's not, but we're going to make it a word here, okay? 2, the second one is I break my goals into manageable tasks, especially if I'm doing or looking a month ahead. I just look at it and I'm like, okay, how can we break this down into goalie task and then daily task and hourly task and so on and so forth, whatever works for you. Yeah, I know. You don't have to go down to the T. You're not that kind of person. There's no pressure there. Number 3 is consistent with my daily affirmation, prayer, and or meditation. Like, every day we wake up and we just jump into like, okay, look, what do I have to do? Which is normally like work, come home, complain about work, and do it all over again. But let's not forget to appreciate. Look at me struggling to read this label, y'all. Sorry. Ooh, I really do get distracted by stuff like that. Like, look at this. ASMR appreciation, y'all. Oh, look how it's just like dripping down. Yes, we're gonna have a moment of silence. Some ice clanking and stuff. Anywho, back on task. Thanks for joining me for my ASMR. But no, seriously, be consistent with your daily affirmation and or prayer and or meditation. It literally helps ground you and bring you back to focus and not being distracted with everyday pressure or everyday pressure you put on yourself based on society. I literally wake up and I pray and I list what I am grateful for, and whether it's that day or that past week. It literally helps bring me back and remember, regardless of how much I think I need to do, look at how much I have accomplished. And we tend to forget to do that as humans. All right. Number 4. Get organized or get a planner or find your way of organization. Seriously. You know, when I was a kid, I used to think, oh, I'm going to have the greatest memory ever. I'm not going to be writing no phone numbers. Yes, the older I get, the less important trying to remember phone numbers are. So I don't remember phone numbers and or name, like more of a face person. But no, I have been planning or using a planner for the past 3 years ongoing, and I have been staying on track, and I can affirm it helps me a lot. Literally designating one day out of the week to plan my weekly planner side of things, and one day out of the month to plan like my overall goals for that month. It literally comes in handy. Make a list if you don't want to get a planner. Like, every morning when you wake up, add that to like your daily affirmation and or prayer meditation routine. Make a list of what you want to accomplish for that day, a goal to give yourself. It could be brushing your teeth. I don't know. I hope you are brushing your teeth daily, though. I ain't even gonna flex because that's kind of nasty. Not kind of, a lot of nasty. I don't know. Eat breakfast. Just modify it to where it fits your need and the lifestyle you see for yourself. Yeah. Number 5 will be seize the power of deadlines. Like, I set deadlines for myself. If, let's say, I know I need to file for my taxes because, hey, it's tax season. I literally, if the due date is, I don't know, February 3rd, well, I was about to say February 31st, you Lord Jesus. If the due date is February 28th, I'll give myself February 20th. You know what? Once I put that due date in my planner, it's gonna subconsciously be in my head, oh my gosh, I need to get this done by the 20th. Yes, it's some sort of rushing, but at least if I don't get to do it by the 20th, I still have those 8 days to wiggle out something or make something up to get to that due date. Due dates literally and deadlines help, and they come in a lot of handiwork for me. Number 6 will be something I am still learning. Avoid over multitasking. Multitasking does us no good. Literally, you're spreading yourself thin and doing multiple things at once. The reason why I say over multitasking is because, heck, you see me on my laptop while in my planner. That's multitasking. However, I'm not doing more than those 2 things. I'm literally checking my schedule and writing in my planner versus trying to do like 5 things on the computer while writing. That's too much. You're doing too much, sis or brother. You doing too much. Literally live in the moment of doing one thing at a time, so that way you will know that one thing you're doing is going to come out the way you want it to come out. The 7th, and one of my favorite, it just recently became one of my favorite like the past 8 months, is blackout scheduling. Blackout scheduling. I'm going to repeat this. Blackout scheduling. Seriously. Black or block, whichever one is easier. I don't know. Whatever you want to do. Basically what I mean is schedule yourself, whether it's your me time, whether it's your productive time. Schedule it where you are literally avoiding any distractions. When I say distraction, not just social media, but text messages, phone calls, TV. If you listen to music, you get distracted easily. Find the kind of music that doesn't get you way deviated from what you want to do. No, of course have to first figure out what your distractions are, but literally schedule yourself. Turn off your phone, black yourself out. If you're going to use YouTube to listen to music and you easily get distracted by YouTube, go to some Pandora or some Spotify or someone's music app so you don't get distracted. You know yourself better than anyone. I ain't even got to tell you. You know what you got to do to get rid of those distractions temporarily so you can get some work done. You seriously keep manifesting and telling yourself, oh, I'm going to go do this. But sis, brother, auntie, uncle, it ain't going to get itself done unless you actually put the effort and the work into it. So you have to put in the necessary steps or the necessary boundaries for yourself in respect for yourself, because you want that dream or you want to obtain that goal you have for yourself. But that's my little 2 cents. If you've stayed this far just to listen to 7 ways I stay productive, thank you very much. I really do appreciate you. I do, because I know I can ramble on a lot. Anywho, thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share with one friend any of the videos you've seen with me. I hope to see you once again, you little kindred spirit. I enjoyed vibing with you. Till next time, peace.